Hello there, Sev here from Motorhome Dealer Group, and welcome to this video guide on the Nord Elettronica NE219 control panel, I believe this is. This one is Adria branded, as you can see, and today we're going to go through just what the buttons do and how to interpret the information it gives you. For any more in-depth things like troubleshooting, please refer to your instruction manuals or seek the help of a technical professional. Those sort of things are beyond the scope of this video, unfortunately. This is just a sort of quick start, how to get up and running and use this control panel in your leisure vehicle. So let's get to it. So first things first, we want to fire up the panel. So let's do so. So we press the power button, we get a brief LED test, as you can see, where we can spot any dud LEDs, and then we have the panel illuminated like so. So we have the power button illuminated, load is lit up there, and then we have the green LED over here showing that this particular vehicle is plugged into a working mains supply. We can turn on our internal lights by pressing the internal lights button just there. We get the corresponding LED to show that is turned on, and now the lights are on in the vehicle that I'm in. Out light is your external light, and that in this case is going to be the awning light, so that is turned on there, and again we have a corresponding LED. The water pump master is this button just here, and again we have that lit up just there, and the auxiliary circuits can be powered on using the auxiliary button as well. For checking battery levels, we press the battery button over here to the far left. We have two indications. So firstly, as you can see here, we have B1 lit up, which is battery 1, and that shows a picture of a truck inside a battery, so that's the vehicle battery. This one here is B2 and has a motorhome body inside the battery just there, so that's the leisure battery. And as you can see, these batteries are both charging at the same time, so they have this sort of reciprocating, pulsing kind of animation to the LEDs that is indicating that those are charging. Now, if you are not charging or off-grid or anything like that, then you would see that these LEDs would show a solid line. I'll show you that in just a second so that you can see what that looks like when the vehicle is not plugged into mains and charging. We could do the same kind of check though with our water tanks, which is the far right button over here. And we have S1, which is our fresh tank, and that's showing us a quarter full, as you can see just there. And S2 is the waste tank, and that's showing us empty right there. To show you what the panel looks like when we are not on a working mains supply, as you can see the LED is now extinguished, so we're not on mains. And if I press the battery check button, you can see we have solid indications on those to reflect the battery capacities there. So that's the difference when you are not plugged in or your batteries are not charging. And when you're driving, you will most likely see this little LED come up here to show that both batteries are being charged as you are driving as well. So there we go, and that is really it. Now, to turn off the panel, we simply press and hold until we see this happen. So we see this sort of little countdown with the LEDs, and then we are done. And that's it, the panel is turned off. And that's how you use your Nord Elettronica NE219 control panel. It's very easy. Hopefully you found this video useful. I'm Sev, and thank you very much for watching.